Hello my friends, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing Chukwuemeka. You're welcome to my channel once again. Today we are going to make white rice and tomato stew with chicken. So let's dive into the video. But before we go inside, I urge you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video like this, you will be the first person to see it. Okay, let's go inside. Right now, this is the rice already cooked. It's only white rice with water. I cooked it for some minutes, about 10 minutes or so. After, I bring it down. Now we are going to make the tomato stew now. We first of all dive in with our oil, groundnut oil. After that, we'll put the onions, the sublime. We'll fry it for some time. Leave it on fire. After some time, we'll cover it small. Some minutes is okay. You open it, you put your tomato. This is my tomato sachet I want to put now. Sachet tomato. I'm calling it in French, tomato sachet. You know, French is kind of English, but spoken from the backwards. So this is sachet tomato I'm putting inside now. After, I turn it, give it a stir, and cover it to steam for some minutes before I bring in my meat stock. Today we are using chicken stock. So I put the chicken already cooked. I'm going to pour it inside, stir fry it, turn it together. After, I'm leaving it for some time. You can see the oil and the tomato, it has already mixed together. Now going in with the pima, onions and seasoning, all pounded together in a local mortar. It's not blended, it's pounded together. I pound it. I did not use the electric blender. That is why you see it is like it has some coaces. So I put that, I cover it for some time. Open it now. Is the chicken. The chicken broth is that one we want to put now. I go in with that. After, turn it and cover it anchor again. You can put a little water if you need. I added a little water again, just small water. But some people don't like to put water plenty. You can leave it like this. It depends. So I'll put my seasoning. I'll put small salt, and that is it. You leave it to cook for some time, for some minutes. Not long time. Till you see the sauce. The stew is thickened a little bit, then it's okay. You can bring it down and eat it with any rice you like. Any type of rice, white rice, brown rice, any type of rice. You can eat it with it. That's all guys. It's not difficult to cook. It's very easy to cook. It does not take a lot of time. You enjoy it. It's so yummy guys.